Most students prepare for the NBTs the wrong way. They either leave it too late or rely on random resources that don't actually show them how to improve. The truth is, the NBTs aren't about what you know, they expose your gaps. And if you don't know where those gaps are, you can't fix them. That's exactly why we've completely upgraded our NBT course, to give you a smarter and more structured way to prepare. Right at the start, you'll do our mock test and use our knowledge checker. This shows you exactly which topics you're strong in and where you need to focus. So you're not wasting time, you're preparing with purpose. From there, the course guides you step by step with video lessons, worksheets, and practice quizzes. And most importantly, you get 3 full MAT mock tests and 3 full AQL mock tests, so you can practice under real test conditions. We've also added the NBT Smart guide, a quick, powerful 15-minute guide that covers how to prepare, how to approach questions, and what to expect on test day. Plus, the NBT Survival guide gives you practical tips to help you stay calm, focused, and ready on the day. As you move through the course, you'll unlock milestones and badges. These will help you to stay motivated and help you to see your progress. And here's what really sets us apart. This course is built by real educators, not AI. Every lesson, every question, every explanation has been carefully designed by people who understand how students learn. And when you need help, you don't get a chatbot. You get a real person. Deborah or Mike will respond to your questions. You have access to a qualified tutor, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And because the course is fully online, you can learn at your own pace in a way that fits your schedule. If you're serious about doing your best in the NBTs, this is your smartest way to prepare. Start now, find your gaps, and walk into your test with confidence. Head to advantagelearn.com to find out more. Happy learning!